Hi everyone, my name is Isabella Susilowati. I'm an excellent Power BI enthusiast with decades of business experience. This video is inspired by a real-life event, a meeting that I had with my CFO recently. We were in a meeting and he looked at a chart and said, "That chart is confusing, misleading." And I said, "Oh, that's not good." "Yeah," he said, "that's not good. We have to fix it." And I said, "No problem. We can flip it and fix it, and let's do it now." A couple of seconds later, he then said, if only he knew that there is a way to flip a chart so efficiently, it would have saved him so much time. So that's when I decided that I have to make this video to share how to do that with all of you. Let's look at several charts below. 2022 data in yellow, 2021 data in blue. Over here we have sales going up from 2021 to 2022, expenses going down, and profit going down from 2021 to 2022. Hold on, what's happening in here? Sales going up, expenses going down. Why is profit not going up? Something is not right. What's that? Hold on. Expenses is higher. Used to be 30,000, 80,000, and now become 285,000. So expenses are not going down. This is an example of misleading charts. The data is represented in a way that is misleading, confusing for the brain. A better way would be to flip the charts. Let me show you how easy it is to flip the charts. Just double click the axis and then click this option, value in reverse order. And voila, you can now see that expenses are going up. That is better. Now we are sending the right message with our charts. Sales is going up, but expenses is going up even more than the increase in sales, which is why our profit is going down. Okay, let's tidy up a little bit. This axis, the x-axis, we should tidy up so that it starts at 0. And to do that is quite simple. Just format the label and change the label position to high. So much better. And we are done. I hope you find this video useful and see you next time.